Proposition number 3. Individuals have the right to end their life by forcing their medical providers to withhold essential care.
I think this is kind of a hard topic to discuss, and if a patient is terminally ill and suffering, that they shouldn't have to follow through with a surgery, or for instance, if they have cancer, to get different radiation and chemotherapy. But if this would prolong their pain, then they shouldn't have to do that, because we wouldn't want them to suffer more. However, I would hope that if somebody has the opportunity to save their life, that they would take these opportunities with hopefully as little pain as possible.
But do you feel that it is their choice to make, that it would be the patient's choice to decide to withhold treatment, and eventually they would die?
I think that it should be partially the patient's points when it's considering it's their health and their lives, but I would hope that the patient could make a proper choice depending on their situation. I guess it really should be impacted and influenced, their decision should be influenced by their family and their doctor. However, I also don't think that a family should decide the patient's choice for them. For instance, if they wanted to get a surgery and the family said no, just cut them off and take them off of their health care and everything, I don't think that that would be right. A lot of times when a patient is sick, they're going to think of the worst and everything, and they're going to get depressed most likely, and they're going to have this negative attitude, and they probably want to just die, so they may not be in the best position to make their own decisions.
Mm-hmm. But is it their choice?
It's kind of hard to decide where the line is. I mean, it's definitely important that they have their own opinions, but I think that the doctors should maybe make their educated opinion a little more clear, that maybe that should be the dominant opinion.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's still important that a patient tells, if they're going to tell the doctor that they're in serious pain and they just can't take it anymore, I would hope that the doctor would understand and not make them go through more pain. But
so the question again, do individuals have the right to end their life by forcing their medical providers to withhold essential care? Do you think the individual has that right?
They should, but I guess not. Not really.
Yeah, it's a tough question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it involves so many people.
Mm-hmm.
The physicians, the family, and the individual themselves.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for thinking about this question.